Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. This is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of dexmean.com. So this is basically an online crypto trading platform that provides you with a wide variety of features. So now let's dive deeper and find out is actually a true or legit platform. As you can see, we cannot access its official website, so which raises concerns about the credibility of this platform. And once I tried searching for their domain name information on the who is, you can see that their domain name was registered recently on August 2025. So it's just 2 months ago. So this is a major red flag about this platform. Another concerning thing is once I tried searching for their reviews on the Trustpilot, they don't even have reviews on Trustpilot website. So I tried on other platforms as well and got to know that it is a fraudulent crypto trading platform that is being promoted through an elaborate scam on social media platforms. And other platforms that rates the website like this also say like it is a dishonest crypto trading platform that swindles Bitcoin using fake celebrity endorsements. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform is pretty much a scam and you should avoid investing money and your time on this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.